Guys, I know today's gonna be sick because we're gonna be dropping hammers. 50-50 do a swap up on it. Oh! Oh! He almost nutted! Ah! Yeah! That was so sick! Dude! What up, Team Buckhouse? Welcome back to the refrigerator, aka Big Snow. Once again, Big Snow, thanks for having us out here. We're super excited to snowboard and show people how awesome this place is. And enough talking, it's time to get it. I was like, I don't want to take off speed, but I want to have the speed. Alright guys, so it's so much faster. We scraped our boards in the parking lot, got out of that junk wax off that was slowing us down yesterday. We're cruising, but I did want to point out that Michael's rocking the Roman Evolution sticker. If you buy that sticker, 100% of the donations go to my son Roman, who sadly couldn't come this year, but last year Roman came and shredded the snow dome. If you want to watch that video right here of my son ripping, it was his first time riding the chairlift and he absolutely loved it. So check that video out if you want some adorableness in your life, and we're gonna keep sending it, man. I'm trying to get some tricks on that like box to bonk thing. It's so fun. And or bonk to box, box to box. Anyways, here we go. Most of you, my main core audience, knows. If you're not part of the main core audience, hit that subscribe button to join the strongest snowboard community on the internet. But I have a tear in my meniscus, like a slight tear, so my knee is killing me. So the best way to overcome that, at least in that bottom section, it hurts to like kick through it and everything. I'm going up the lift goofy at the moment, so we'll try this a little bit, see if that takes some of the pain, because my knee is in pain away today, but it's pain that we can ride through, and we're doing all that physical therapy, and hopefully that can fix the knee before the official season kicks off. That's what I've been trying to get. The whole time we've been here, that's what I've been trying to get. A nice, clean, fast board slide through the DFD. All right, that's East Coast native Tyler. Tyler's the man. He has his own YouTube channel. You gotta check it out. It's linked below. But we always try to link up with Tyler when we come to the East Coast. Dude, you're ripping.
Thank you.
And you got like a foot taller. Like,
I keep growing.
He keeps growing, dude. Good job. Let's go. Guys, I cannot tell you how much better today is than yesterday. Yesterday was still sick. We flew in from Colorado. We immediately went snowboarding. It was still sick. But the ability of having speed, like scraping off that wax, was a game changer. I'm having such a better time today. The only thing that's gonna make today better is today's sticker shout out. We got Ruse Torres with the Camo Evolution sticker on the back of the snowboard. Looking insane, man. Thank you so much for snagging an Evolution sticker. As well as we got Matthew Marshall with the black with red Evolution hoodie. Wearing the warmest merch in the game, guys. It really is the warmest merch in the game. Dude, thank you so much for snagging an Evolution hoodie. Guys, if you want an Evolution sticker, or the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, they're all linked in the description. You guys know the deal. If you snag any of it, tag me on my Instagram so you guys can get gear and sticker shout outs, but just follow the Instagram for bonus extra content. I say this every time, but we were like playing mini golf today, and we just are doing a bunch of fun stuff on this trip on top of just snowboarding. So follow the Instagram for all of that. And now a bonus Bristol in some Evolution merch. That's my daughter. She's so cute, rocking the merch, and she's already outgrown that. She's growing so fast, but this is my first trip away from her and Roman and Bobby, and it is sad. I hate leaving them when they're so tiny and squishy, but we'll be back in no time, and I can't wait to see her. All right, I miss Roman too, of course, and I guess Bobby. Enough talking though. Let's back to the shredding. 50-50, do a swap up on it.
Start it up.
Are you kidding me? First tee took me 2 days to do that, dude. Let's go. Cody is a secret god on a snowboard. That was so sick, dude. All right, guys. So there's that little barrel to box thing that's super sick. And I actually made like a how-to video on it. You can check it out right here, like how to hit a weird feature. But I think it'd be cool to jump the whole box. So let's see if we can get it. We're hauling. I'm so scared. Alright guys, we're in here. We're killing it. It's amazing how tired you get for just 2 hours of riding. It really is a lot of time. You think like, man, only a 2 hour window. When I go to a resort, I get like 6 hours of riding. But you get so many laps that you're like, oh man, I only need 2 hours. So our session's basically over, and we're gonna go get some food and then come back and do a 4 hour session. It's gonna be nuts. But that being said, we have enough video and everything right now for a full video. So I'm gonna do something that has never been done, kind of. I guess it's been done. We're doing a two-part. So this afternoon is gonna be a second video. So we got Chipmunk right here. We're not gonna, but today we're not done snowboarding. We're gonna keep snowboarding, but I'm like, yo, I'm out here, costs a lot of money. How many videos can we make? And then it's like, wait, like why put an entire day into one vlog when we got a sick vlog? And then we'll do another video. It might be a vlog, it might be a challenge video. I don't know what it's gonna be this afternoon. We'll put some thought to it while we're eating Taco Bell. Pretty stoked for that.
You know what else is sick? Today's sticker show.
We already did that.
Oh man, I missed that one.
With all that being said, let's knock out this Chipmunk run, and then I'll talk to you guys at the bottom. Woohoo! Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you this afternoon. Subscribe for part 2.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliffhanger.